Here's how to check if your laptop USB-C supports video output or not. So the first thing that you have to check is on the sides of your laptop, does it have a USB-C? USB-C has a different types. So you can connect your laptop via HDMI, USB-C, connect the console by HDMI itself, and different more. But let's focus more on connecting to laptop via USB-C. Now, here's how to connect it. The first one is the USB-C Type-C port with DisplayPort video function. If your laptop has this kind of USB-C port, it means that it's actually support a video output. And as you can see, if there is a video function DP USB signal transmission data, it means that it supports video output. Now, if you can see that the Type-C port only has a DC in power input function, it means it's not.